Hello and welcome to our video about creating jobs in ONTRAM. This video will cover how easy it is to set up a job in between ONTRAM's job creation interface. John works as a project manager for California Inc. He has just received a new file that has to be translated into several languages. Once John logs in with his credentials, the system provides him with the Administration tab. To set up a job, we have to select the Administration tab, see the list of available groups, and choose the group the job belongs to. These groups could be classified in many ways. For example, it makes sense to classify different departments of a company and create subgroups, for example for similar files or special projects. Once major group settings have been set, they make it possible to create all future jobs created in this group. But as settings, they could also be changed at any time. A big advantage of this group hierarchy is that once, for example, default users have been set for certain languages, they will be always predefined for new jobs in this group. This saves a lot of time and makes job creation very easy and efficient. Groups are important in ONTRAM as they provide inherited information as already mentioned. To get a better feeling for how groups work in ONTRAM, please have a look at the Groups in ONTRAM video, which is also available. Terminology and translation memory settings are also inherited by group structures, and this will also be covered in an additional video session. The easiest way to set up jobs in this system is using ONTRAM's Job Setup Wizard. Therefore, John simply has to click on the icon and will be automatically transferred to the wizard. John now has to enter a job name and a job number. Leaving the job number filled blank is also possible. The system will generate one. After that, John has to fill in a name for the job part. Now John has to select the zip document file to be translated, which he has just received via email by simply browsing his local directories or network shares. Select the filter profile regarding the uploaded content file. Default filter profiles could also be set up in between group settings. In this case, we selected a simple PowerPoint presentation, so our filter profile will be Office 2007. Now all John has to do is upload and wait till the file has been imported by ONTRAM. Once the file transfer is complete, we will receive a status message, Import completed. John will also be provided with some debugging symbols. Here he can check whether everything was uploaded and parsed properly. Debugging will not be covered in this video, but is also available in the video archive. After that, John has to select the due dates for the different steps in the workflow by selecting ONTRAM's easy-to-use calendar functionality. In the end, we have to distribute the different workflow roles for the selected languages. As you can see, ONTRAM already selected default users. In this case, John knows that Kate is on vacation this week, so he can simply change the person in the workflow role. The underlying PowerPoint should in this case also be translated into French, so John adds a new target language by selecting Add Target Language. Don't forget to delegate again the workflow roles for the additional language. As you can see, the job was set up by ONTRAM and all participants in the workflow can directly start with the translation process as soon as they have been alerted via email from ONTRAM that they have an assignment pending. I hope you enjoyed watching how easy it is to set up jobs in ONTRAM. Thanks for your attention. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us via live chat or by email at support@ontram.com.